Hi everyone, welcome back to Prakasham Tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about classifications of passband transmission. In digital communication, the types of passband data transmission are classified into four types that are amplitude shift keying, frequency shift keying, phase shift keying, and quadrature amplitude modulation. So these are the classifications of the passband data transmission. First, we are going to discuss about amplitude shift keying. And what is amplitude shift keying? In amplitude shift keying, the amplitude of the signal is varied to represent the signal level, while frequency and phase remains constant. In amplitude shift keying, the amplitude of the signal is varied to represent the signal levels, while frequency and phase remains constant. Amplitude shift keying is a type of digital modulation technique which represents the binary data in the form of variations in the amplitude of a signal. And this is the binary data sequence 1011001011 is the binary data sequence, and this is the carrier signal, and this is the amplitude shift keying modulated signal, and the output of ASK modulated wave, and this is the output of the ASK modulated wave. The output of a ASK modulated wave gives the carrier output for high input, and gives the zero value for low input. And this is the binary data sequence, and this is the carrier signal and amplitude ASK modulated signal, and the output of the ASK modulated wave gives the carrier output for high input data rate, and it gives the zero value for low input data rate. Amplitude shift keying also referred as binary amplitude shift keying BASK, as its usual operation is associated with only two levels. And this is the graphical representation of amplitude shift keying and definition of amplitude shift keying. And next one is frequency shift keying. And what is frequency shift keying? In FSK, the frequency of the signal is modulated. The frequency of the signal is modulated to represent the signal levels, while amplitude and phase remains constant. Frequency shift keying is a digital modulation technique in which frequency of the carrier signal varies according to the digital signal changes. FSK is a technique of frequency modulation. The output of a FSK modulated wave is high in frequency for binary high input, and is low in frequency for a binary low input. And this is the graphical representation of the FSK modulated wave, and this is the binary data sequence, and this is a high frequency carrier wave, and this is the waveform of the low frequency carrier wave, and this is the FSK modulated wave. Okay, the output of the FSK modulated wave is high in frequency, and this is the high in frequency range, and this is the low in frequency range in FSK modulated wave. The output of a FSK modulated wave is high in frequency for binary high input, and is low in frequency for a binary low input. The simplest form of FSK is a binary frequency shift keying, BFSK. BFSK stands for binary frequency shift keying. So now here in this waveform, in this figure, the first figure represents the digital bit stream, and the second waveform represents the high frequency carrier signal,
Third waveform represents low frequency carrier wave and fourth waveform represents FSK modulated wave. And next third one is phase shift keying. In phase shift keying, the phase of the carrier signal is modulated to represent the signal level while amplitude and frequency remains constant. The phase shift keying is the digital modulation technique in which the phase of the carrier signal is changed in accordance with the digital modulating signal. And this is the graphical representation of phase shift keying. Okay. The phase of the carrier signal is varied. The phase of the carrier signal is varied in accordance with the digital modulating signal. And this is the digital modulating signal. And this is the bipolar non-return to zero sequence. The concept of bipolar non-return to zero sequence already discussed in my previous videos. And what is the bipolar non-return to zero? High in data is represented by the positive voltage level and low in data is represented by negative voltage level. So in this figure, the second waveform represents the bipolar non-return to zero sequence and third waveform represents carrier signal and fourth waveform represents phase shift keying, binary phase shift keying. So phase shift keying is of two types depending upon the phase of the signal. Depending upon the phase of the signal gets shifted, the phase shift keying is classified into two types. So that are binary shift keying and quadrature phase shift keying. Binary phase shift keying and quadrature phase shift keying. And what is binary phase shift keying and what is quadrature phase shift keying? Binary phase shift keying is the simplest form of the phase shift keying. The binary phase shift keying is also called as a two-phase PSK or phase reversal keying. In binary phase shift keying technique, the sine wave carrier takes two-phase reversals, the two-phase reversals such as 0-degree phase shift and 180-degree phase shift. In binary phase shift keying, 0 represents 180-degree phase shift and binary bit 1 represents 0-degree phase shift. So now here binary bit 1, this one is and this is the binary bit 1 and this is the binary bit 0 and this is coming to the low in data. So binary bit 0 is represent 180-degree phase shift and this is 180-degree phase shift and 0 0 0 and this binary bit is 1. In phase shift keying, the binary bit 1 is represented by 0-degree phase shift and this is 0-degree phase shift. Similarly like that. And the second type is quadrature phase shift keying. In quadrature phase shift keying technique in which the sine wave carrier takes four phase reversals. So that are 0-degree phase shift, 90-degree phase shift, 180-degree phase shift and 270-degree phase shift. And next classification of the baseband data transmission is quadrature amplitude modulation. Quadrature amplitude modulation is a combination of amplitude shift keying and phase shift keying. Here both the amplitude and phase are varied to transmit more bits per symbol. And these are the brief discussion and brief explanation of passband data transmission types. So that are ASK, FSK, PSK and QAM.